Can is a versatile modal verb in English that can have various uses. Here are some common ways can is used in English grammar. 1. Ability. I can swim. She can speak multiple languages. 2. Permission. Can I go to the bathroom? You can use my laptop if you need it. 3. Possibility. It can rain later today. The keys can be on the table. Rain later today. The keys can be on the table. 4. Request. Can you please pass the salt? Can you help me with this? 5. Offering. Can I get you something to drink? Can I assist you in any way? 6. Making a suggestion. You can try the new restaurant downtown. You can join us for the movie tonight. 7. Speculation or prediction. He can be at the office now. The package can arrive by tomorrow. Remember that the use of can may change in negative and interrogative sentences. It becomes cannot, can't for negation and can for questions, as seen in some of the examples above. So वीडियो knowledgeable लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching.